Hello, y'all, and we are here today with the Birdville Center of Technology and Advanced Learning. I'm Ryder Wallace.
I'm John Hanna.
And I'm Andrew Wallace.
And we're here today to show you how to create what we call the Alien Attack Snack. Let's get right to it.
So for the ingredients for the Alien Attack Snack, you'll need 1 ripe avocado, 1 Granny Smith apple, Greek Fit light yogurt, the vanilla flavor, blueberries, sunflower seeds, and 8 pretzel sticks.
And for the equipment that we're going to be using today, we got a fork for mixing, a mixing bowl, 2 butter knives, measuring spoons, and 2 cutting boards.
Let's get right to it, and we'll show you how to prepare this lovely dish. For our first step, we are going to wash these vegetables, wash these fruits. You're going to wash them so to make sure there's no dirt or anything else on them, because that stuff's kind of yucky. That's already been done, and now we're here. With the second step, you'll take a butter knife and your green apple and simply cut it down the middle as follows. Take 1/2 of the apple and set it aside for later use. Take the other half, cut it in half, so now you have 2 little pieces. And we're going to do this one more time. So in total, there will be 4 pieces for half of an apple. Ta-da!
And there you have it. Good job, Ryder. Now for the second step, as Ryder said, make sure you have your avocado washed and you want to cut it. So how you want to cut this avocado is you want to go right through the center and cut down until you feel like a seed or the pit, and then you'll just simply want to cut around it as so. And once you have it cut in half, you'll just want to give it a twist and lift it up, and now you have the avocado we're going to use, and this can be used for later use if you wrap it with some plastic wrap. This is where the tablespoon comes in. The recipe calls for 1 tablespoon, so you'll just want to scoop out 1 tablespoon's worth and put it right in the bowl. Oh. And now off to Andrew.
The next step calls for our Greek yogurt. So we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of this Greek yogurt. And since this is dirty, we'll just substitute it for half the tablespoon, and we'll just do 2.
That's 1 teaspoon.
Oh,
Just use the tablespoon.
okay.
You're mixing
We're
it.
using 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. And now we proceed to mix with the fork.
And while that's going on, I'll go back around, and all you want to do is just simply cut out this little core right here, if you will. It's just a little bit left over from the cutting. Nobody wants to eat that, so you can just simply go around and just cut back on it, and boom. You just want to push it away, cleanse it a little bit if you'd like. Now you have a perfect slice.
And remember, don't eat the seeds. They're slightly poisonous. Fun fact of the day.
Now that your mixture has been mixed up, we will now proceed to put it on the apple, on each apple slice. Use a teaspoon, tablespoon?
Now that the 4 apples are ready, now we begin to decorate our alien.
On one plate, place an apple.
All right, we've plated our 4 apples. Now we're going to put 1 teaspoon on each apple. So you're going to put it onto the side of the apple and then proceed to spread the mixture around the apple, like so. And we'll do this for each apple here.
And we're going to try to use the whole mixture here so we can get all the benefits. All the benefits in no waste.
Now I know what you guys are thinking, avocado and yogurt, ew. Not a lot of you guys like your greens, but I promise you, the avocado will not hinder the flavor of the yogurt. It's gonna taste even better.
And with the extra vitamins that it does pack in, you're getting more bang for your buck.
Correct.
And as you're scooping it, I just want to point out that this is an alien attack snack. You can have an Earth attack snack or a Moon attack snack
Using different apples.
using different apples, different.
The inspiration
This is-
from this came from Toy Story 3, that like one of the Toy Story movies. Whenever that kid is playing the like what's that game called? Like
It's a
the
ball game.
Yeah, and those little aliens. That's kind of where our inspiration from this came from, to make it look like those little guys.
Now that we've cut the apples and we put the mixture of yogurt on top, we will now proceed to the next steps.
The next step is you want to decorate your apples, or your aliens, I should say. Ryder will do the blueberries, Andrew will do the pretzels, and I'll finish them off with the sunflower seeds.
So for each apple slice, you want 3 blueberries on it. 1, 2, 3. Simple as
Can be.
can be. You're right. So as we're placing these, we're making sure they're evenly spaced apart.
And these are going to act as the eyes of the alien.
And then Andrew's gonna come around with the pretzels to act as the antennas on the little alien. So
And now that we have our eyes done, I'll hand it off to Andrew.
I am placing the pretzel sticks between the blueberries, and yeah, these are going to act as the antennas. Cut that up.
and now coming around with the kernel seeds, you just want to take a pinch and neatly and awesomely just put them over your apples.
Just a little dust, just to add a little bit of crunch. The pretzels will add crunch, but I mean, there's more
Little extra
saltiness,
flavor.
the extra kick with the sunflower seed.
And this
Alrighty.
was our creation, the alien attack snack.
You can clean it up a little bit if you want to. Just wipe the seeds away, the kernels. And there you have it.
This is our take on the alien attack snack. We hope you enjoyed our creation, and hopefully you try it at home too.
I'm John Hanna,
I'm Andrew Wallace.
And I'm Ryder Wallace.
and this is the Alien Attacks Net.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Cool.